So an alternative to gas stoves for anyone who's maybe looking for an upgrade or a change is induction. Induction's not a new product. It's not a new technology. It's been around for quite some time. It's more efficient than standard electric. A lot of people don't like electric stoves, but I would say it's as efficient as a gas stove. But from a consumption perspective, it's more energy efficient because it's based off like magnets and magnetite energy to cook. So the one drawback would be that you do need certain types of pots and pans to work with an induction cooktop, but it's also great for families. If you have like kids or children and things like that, it's super duper safe. You can literally put a pot on the burner or the coil and it would only cook what's in the pot and not touch your hand. And even when you remove your hand, you can touch it directly. So anybody living with young kids, it's great for that. And then it's also just a great, fast, efficient alternative to gas that is much better than electric. Highly recommend.